The day I started looking poor, everything changed. Have you ever noticed how the world seems to reward people who look successful? The expensive watch, the luxury car, the designer clothes. Society quietly teaches you that looking wealthy earns respect, opportunity, and admiration. But what if the opposite were true? What if the moment you stopped trying to look rich became the exact moment your life started moving in the right direction? Most people spend years chasing the appearance of wealth, while unknowingly pushing real wealth further away. They upgrade their lifestyle every time their income grows. They finance things they don't truly need. They buy approval from strangers who won't remember them tomorrow. Little by little, without realizing it, they build a life that looks impressive from the outside but feels fragile underneath. The frightening part is that almost nobody notices this trap until it has already stolen years of financial progress. Today, you're going to discover why the day you start looking poor might become the day everything changes. Not because poverty is admirable, but because freedom often hides behind decisions that most people are too afraid to make. And if you ignore this lesson, the cost isn't just measured in dollars. It's measured in opportunities you'll never get back, stress you'll carry every day, and dreams that slowly become impossible because your money is always working for someone else instead of for you. Before we go any further, if you've ever felt pressure to impress other people with money, take a second to let me know in the comments. Simply write, "I felt that pressure." I'd genuinely love to know you're not alone in this. And if you enjoyed practical lessons about building real wealth instead of just looking wealthy, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every like and every new subscriber helps us reach more people who are ready to escape the financial traps that keep so many stuck. Now let's begin. Imagine waking up tomorrow and making a decision that confuses everyone around you. You could afford the nicer car. You could buy the bigger house. You could replace your perfectly working phone with the newest model. Instead, you don't. Nothing about your income changed. Nothing about your abilities changed. The only thing that changed was your willingness to stop performing wealth for an audience. At first, people notice. Some quietly assume you're struggling. Others wonder if your business isn't doing well. A few even begin treating you differently. Surprisingly, that's where the transformation begins. Because something remarkable happens when you stop trying to impress everyone. You finally discover who actually values you. For years, many people unknowingly build relationships around appearances. Expensive dinners, flashy vacations, brand names, status symbols. The moment those signals disappear, something else becomes visible. Authenticity. Some people drift away because they were attracted to your lifestyle, not your character. Others stay because they genuinely enjoy your company. That realization alone is worth more than thousands of dollars spent trying to maintain an image. But relationships are only the beginning. The biggest change happens inside your own mind. Every purchase becomes a question instead of an impulse. Do I actually need this? Will this improve my life? Or am I buying this because I want someone else to notice? Those questions sound simple. Yet they quietly separate people who accumulate wealth from those who constantly chase it. Think about how many financial decisions are driven by invisible social pressure. The luxury SUV that spends most of its time sitting in traffic. The oversized house with rooms no one uses. The expensive clothes worn once before disappearing into the closet. The newest phone replacing one that already worked perfectly. None of these purchases are necessarily wrong. The danger appears when they become automatic. When buying becomes a habit instead of a decision. When your lifestyle grows faster than your financial freedom. Most people celebrate every raise by increasing their monthly expenses. A larger payment here. A subscription there. A financed upgrade somewhere else. Each decision feels small. Each one feels harmless. Until one day they realize their income doubled, yet they still feel financially trapped. That's the hidden cost of looking rich. You earn more. You spend more. You worry more. And despite all your effort, genuine peace never arrives. Meanwhile, someone driving an older car, living below their means, and quietly investing the difference appears ordinary. Sometimes they even appear unsuccessful. But appearances have never built wealth. Habits do. The fascinating part is that truly wealthy people often understand something the rest of the world overlooks. Money has two jobs. One is making you look successful. The other is making you financially free. The problem is that very few dollars can do both. Every dollar spent on appearances is a dollar that can no longer grow, compound, or create future opportunities. Imagine taking the payment from a luxury vehicle and investing that same amount month after month. Not for 1 year. Not for 5 years. But for decades. The difference isn't small. It's life-changing. The difficult part isn't understanding the math. It's overcoming the emotional desire to keep up with everyone around you. Humans naturally compare themselves with others. Your neighbor buys a new truck. Your coworker upgrades their home. Your friend posts vacation pictures from another country. Suddenly, your perfectly good life begins to feel incomplete. Nothing actually changed. Only your comparison did. And comparison is one of the most expensive financial habits you can develop. Because there will always be someone earning more. Someone driving something newer. Someone living somewhere bigger. If your happiness depends on winning that race, you'll spend your entire life running without ever reaching the finish line. The day you stop trying to look rich is often the day you stop competing in a game that was designed to keep you spending. That's when something unexpected begins to happen. Instead of buying status, you begin buying time. Instead of buying attention, you begin buying options. Instead of financing appearances, you begin investing in freedom. Those changes are invisible at first. No one congratulates you for skipping an unnecessary purchase. Nobody applauds when you decide not to upgrade your lifestyle. In fact, some people may think you're falling behind. But what they can't see is the quiet momentum building beneath the surface. Every decision you don't make today becomes another brick in the foundation of tomorrow's freedom. And that foundation grows stronger every single day you stop caring about looking wealthy and start focusing on actually becoming wealthy. The longer you live this way, the more you begin to notice something almost nobody talks about. Looking wealthy attracts expectations. Looking ordinary attracts freedom. When people believe you have unlimited money, they often expect unlimited generosity. They assume you'll always pay the bill. They expect expensive gifts. They invite you into lifestyles that demand constant spending just to keep up. Without realizing it, your appearance begins making financial decisions before you ever do. But when you stop trying to project wealth, those expectations slowly disappear. You no longer feel obligated to say yes to every invitation. You no longer feel pressured to upgrade every possession. You stop buying things simply because someone else expects you to. And for the first time in years, your money starts following your priorities instead of everyone else's. That shift is incredibly powerful. Because wealth isn't created by earning extraordinary amounts of money. It's created by consistently keeping more of what you earn than most people think is possible. Think about someone earning $200,000 a year who spends almost everything to maintain an impressive lifestyle. Now think about someone earning half as much but living intentionally, investing consistently, and avoiding unnecessary debt. From the outside, the first person often looks more successful. From the inside, the second person is usually building something far more valuable. Freedom. The truth is that financial freedom rarely arrives with applause. It arrives quietly. It's the feeling of opening your banking app without anxiety. It's knowing an unexpected expense won't destroy your month. It's having the ability to walk away from a job that no longer aligns with your values. It's sleeping peacefully because your future isn't balanced on the next paycheck. None of those victories can be photographed for social media. Yet they are infinitely more valuable than anything that can. This is where most people make one final mistake. They believe they'll start living below their means later. After the promotion, after the business grows, after they make another $100,000. But later has a strange way of never arriving. Every increase in income creates new temptations. A larger mortgage, a newer vehicle, a more expensive vacation, a lifestyle that quietly expands until it consumes every additional dollar. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it has stolen more potential wealth than most people will ever realize. The dangerous part is that it doesn't feel dangerous. It feels deserved. You tell yourself you've worked hard. You convince yourself you've earned the upgrade. And maybe you have. But every reward has a hidden price. The question is whether today's comfort is worth sacrificing tomorrow's freedom. The people who build lasting wealth ask themselves that question over and over again. Not because they're cheap. Not because they fear spending. But because they understand the true value of every dollar. A dollar isn't just money. It's time. It's choices. It's peace of mind. It's another small piece of your future. Once you begin seeing money that way, spending changes forever. You become intentional instead of impulsive. Patient instead of reactive. Confident instead of competitive. Ironically, this confidence is what many people mistake for wealth. Have you ever met someone who never seems desperate to prove anything? They don't wear logos to impress anyone. They don't constantly talk about money. They don't chase validation through possessions. They simply move through life with quiet certainty. That confidence often comes from knowing they own their decisions, not the opinions of strangers. And that's the greatest transformation of all. The day you stop looking rich isn't really about your clothes, your car, or your house. It's about breaking free from the belief that your value depends on what other people see. Because here's the reality. Most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to spend much time judging yours. The expensive watch that seemed so important, most people won't even notice it. The luxury car you stretched your finances to afford? In a few weeks, it becomes just another car in the parking lot. The designer shoes? They're forgotten almost immediately. But the debt? The stress? The lost investment opportunities? Those stay with you for years. That's why real wealth is often invisible. It doesn't scream. It doesn't demand attention. It quietly creates options. It gives you the freedom to say no. The freedom to take risks. The freedom to spend more time with the people you love. The freedom to choose a life based on purpose instead of appearances. And that's a trade worth making every single time. One day, someone may look at your modest lifestyle and underestimate you. Let them. They don't see your investments. They don't see your growing financial security. They don't see the sleepless nights you've eliminated by refusing to live beyond your means. Most importantly, they don't need to. Because your goal was never to convince them. Your goal was to build a life that no one else's opinion could take away. The moment you understand that, something extraordinary happens. You stop chasing symbols of success. You start creating success itself. And once that mindset takes root, everything changes. Not overnight. Not with one decision. But with hundreds of quiet decisions that almost nobody notices. Until one day they do. They wonder how you retired early. How you stayed calm during financial uncertainty. How you always seemed prepared while everyone else was panicking. What they don't realize is that the transformation didn't begin when you became wealthy. It began the day you stopped trying to look wealthy. If this message resonated with you, don't let it end here. Subscribe to the channel and join a community of people who are focused on building real financial freedom instead of chasing appearances. If you've watched all the way to the end, I want you to comment. Real wealth starts within. I'd love to see how many people are committed to changing the way they think about money from this day forward. And if you found value in today's video, take just a second to leave a like. It helps this message reach more people who may be trapped in the same cycle without even realizing it. Finally, don't miss the next video that's on your screen right now. It builds on everything we discussed today and could completely change the way you think about money, success, and financial freedom. Click it now, and I'll see you there.